we got this RVLock, and says it's pretty easy to install, just a Phillips screwdriver in 10 minutes, so it's gonna be a short video. Hope you enjoy it. It must be Maintenance Monday. Woo! Let's get to work. You're gonna start with just the interior screws. Pull those out, and this thing should just come right apart. Next, you want to remove the 2 screws from the strike plate. Oh, it's kind of glued on there, isn't it? Oh, there she goes. So as you can see, it seems to have had some sort of adhesive on the backing. We'll clean this up real good. Go ahead and use my favorite stuff here. Get this off of here. This is Goof Off. I use it for everything. And I find it best to use plastic when you're scraping stuff off your camper, because metal tends to be a little bit too abrasive. So if you use plastic, it offers you a layer of forgiveness. I find that very helpful. Sure, it's not as quick as metal, but it sure gets the job done. You know, it just takes a little bit longer, but at the end of the day, it's a better job. You know, and that's what's important. I always like to take the opportunity when I take things apart to clean around it, because you have better access than you normally do. And there's nothing like having a finished product that's clean, you know? Just that extra little touch. Look at that. My black fingerprint marks from all the projects we do. Look at this while we're at it. Funny thing with RVing is everybody thinks it's gonna be nice and relaxing and easy breezy. Well, there's always something to do. And if you're not doing something, fixing something, repairing something, maintaining something, cleaning something, you're falling behind every time. And it'll bite you in the butt one day. I think what we're gonna do here is these 2 are causing an issue, so we're gonna make a notch right here and right here. And it should just go right in after that. And as you can see, those notches will be covered up by the end product, so I'm not too worried about it. See how that does. Ta-da! Worked like a charm. Perfect. So then we're gonna install the strike pad. So that's this guy right here, and there's 2 short machine screws in here. Do not cross thread this. Very, very easy to cross thread it in this position. And that would be, well, let's just say the screw will be done. You might get it in all the way, but it'll never come back apart. So next we're gonna install our interior handle. And you wanna start by plugging it in. beep, so that's a good sign, I suppose. Oh, huh, how interesting. It's upside down. That's unfortunate because we have a left-hand hinge. I ordered the left-hand hinge, but all the words are upside down when I turn the inside left. It'll still work. I feel like they could have done that a little bit better. So you're gonna wanna grab your 4 long screws out of this bag. Okay, so you gotta like figure out a way to fold this wiring so it doesn't get trapped, and at the same time not drop the screws out of your mouth, and get the screws in the holes without cross-threading out. This guy right here and the lock, you gotta line them up. Once they line up and are operating properly like you want them to, then again, get that dang wire out of the way, and your handle has to fit. There's a lot of stuff to line up here, my goodness. We're gonna go ahead and put in another screw. Make sure that your handle is, this part is not open. Like, make sure it's functioning properly. And this is functioning properly before you sink your final screws. All right. Let's see if it works. Oof. Huh. Don't forget to close the deadbolt before you go closing it for the first time. Yeah, it works pretty good. That was quick and easy. I'm guessing the upside down off and on switch needs to be switched to no. Why couldn't they just make a new one for the left-hand side, man? They charged us enough. That's goofy. To set the code, what you want to do is hold down the 8 and tap the lock button. You'll get that long beeping sound. And what you want to do is type 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. Then you want to type your new code. 2, 4, 6, 8, lock. Repeat your new code. And you'll get that long beep. Go ahead and test it out. 2, 4, 6, 8, lock. If you hear that sound, you have completed the process, and you can unlock it in the same way. Just hit the unlock button. If you would like to quickly lock it, just hold down the lock button. And if you don't want to hear the beeping sound, hold down the 1 until it beeps twice, and then it's nice and quiet. All right, my friends, that's the end of the video. I hope it was nice and short and sweet for you guys. Now we get the advantage of not having to carry keys on us when we go to the pool. Have fun, happy trails. Remember, I'm not an expert in this field. I'm just doing stuff from my own experience. In reality, I really don't know what I'm talking about. So do your research, do your homework, make sure you're doing it right yourself. Hey, let me tell you about Travel Tuesdays. If you enjoyed this stuff, Tuesdays, every single week, we release a video of all the wonderful places that we go. So check them out. They're right here. Yeah, right there. Over there. Somewhere around here. That's the one.